So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today real quick we're just going to be explaining how to set up your Moza wheelbase to Asetto Corsa Evo. Basically the first thing that you want to do, that I will say, do not have your PlayStation or Xbox controller plugged into this at the same time while trying to do this, because for whatever reason it just, in my experience, it didn't work that well. So the first thing that we're going to do is head over to the Moza R5 base, which it automatically detects. I have the Moza Pit House software as well. So all you're really going to do is just go to the A-axis section for some of this. So for steering, you're just going to set that up. And you can pretty much leave everything here the same. That's what I did. And then for throttle, click on the throttle. And right here where it says invert A axis, you're going to make sure that this isn't checked. This way it's not trying to reverse, like have it set up, have the throttle set up as reverse. Second, you're going to hit brakes, use your actual brakes for this. Click it again and invert A axis once more. Then you're going to go down to paddle shift gear up. Gear down. These two you don't have to do anything, they're both set as press. Hit apply, back, and then I'm going to go into a game and it should just work. Yep, that's pretty much all you really need to do to set up the that's all you really need to do to set up the wheel itself and the actual car. Now anyway, that being said, if you guys do have any more questions on what else you need help with, I'll try and do my absolute best to try and help fix some of those issues, or at least looking into them on video with you guys. And thank you guys so much. Make sure you like and subscribe for